To start making money by watching ads, here are the steps to follow. The first thing you're going to do is take your smartphone or your personal computer, and the second thing is you're going to click on the website just like this. And the third step, you can start making money today. It's that easy. Like I said earlier that I'm going to show you real payment proofs, here are the real payment proofs right here, and people from different countries are making money right now. As you can see here, this person had already withdrawn this amount of money, and many people have cashed out money from this new website as well. Now when you scroll down a bit, you'll see hundreds of people that have cashed out on this website. You can earn $1 when you click on this website one time, and when you do 10 clicks, you're going to earn $10. When you do 50 clicks, you'll earn about $50. And when you do 100 clicks, you can easily earn $100. And you can repeat this over and over again. This method is 100% free and can be done anywhere in the world. In today's video, I will show you how to register for free, so make sure you pay close attention. But before we proceed, welcome to Rachel's Money Guide, where I teach you how to make money online the easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be notified, and you can start implementing what you've learned as one of the firsts. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have any concerns, questions, or comments about the video, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now, let's continue with the video. So the first step to take is to visit this website called lightgpt.com. There are different ways to make money on this website. The best way to make money on this website is through PTC and video ads. PTC is an abbreviation for paid to click, which means that you can get paid to click on a website or click on advertisements. So I will show you how to click on websites just like this, or watching video ads just like this. And you can make a lot of money online. Ensure you don't miss any details in my video. Watch the video until the end and you'll smile at the bank in the end. So these are the real payment proofs right here on this website, and they are very transparent to show you the ads and websites clicked, and how much money people have made. I love this website because their withdrawals are instant, and you can cash out your earnings within 24 hours or less. They also have a very low minimum payout of $5. This website uses different payment options. Now, I want you to comment down below your desired payment option available in your country. Now, if you want to register an account for free, all you need to do is come over and click on this green button right here to register. It will redirect you to this page where you can register for a free account. And again, the good news is that this is available in all countries in the world. So I want you to comment down below and let me know your country of residence so that I can create more videos specific to your region in my future videos. Now type in your username, put in your email address and your password, confirm your password, and ignore the referral code. After entering your email address and username, click on this type of icon, so right here, and accept their terms of service and privacy policy. After this step, click on this blue register button to register. Before I show you the exact step-by-step of how to click on the website and watch the video ad, I want to share with you the second website called boxinside.com. And I highly recommend you to sign up on both websites, boxinside.com and also LightGPT, so that you can make more money. Check out boxinside.com. The website can pay you every 10 seconds, as you can see here. The real payment proofs that people are cashing out their money every single day right on this website, and they're coming from different countries. There are unlimited websites that you can just click on and earn about $1 or $2 at boxinside.com. You'll get paid by just browsing their advertiser's website. Just click on their website, then you can make money, and make sure you keep watching because I'll show you some real-life examples. Using boxinside.com, you can withdraw your earnings with many payment options like Payza, PayPal, Perfect Money, Payeer, Skrill, bank transfer, and many more. You can cash out instantly today within 24 hours. And once again, you can cash out your money once you've earned up to $2 US, which is very easy to earn. Just watch the video until the end and I'll show you how it's done. If you have been gaining something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So right now, we are at the sign up stage. All you need to do here is go ahead and click on this button right here, click on register, and then come over to this page. Enter your username right here on this column, enter your email address, confirm your email, and then for the currency, you can choose whatever currency and payment method you want. Also choose your date of birth. Scroll down a bit and click on I'm not a robot to prove you're human. And then come over here and accept their terms of service. And just go ahead and click on the register button. It's as easy as that. So right now, I'll show you a real-life example. Once you sign in, you can find different ads that you can click on and make money. The ads displayed here is an example of banner ads. Just click on it. For instance, I click on this one right here, and it's going to redirect me to this website. Please don't miss anything here. Make sure you pay attention. And I want you to stay on this website for 30 seconds so you can get credited. All I need to do is come here and click on the second banner right here. For example, this is the one I just clicked on, and it's going to direct me to the second website, as you can see right now. No sign-up process is needed here. Just stay on this website for at least 30 seconds so that you can get credited. No wasting of your precious time. Just stay for 30 seconds and get credited. You can click on as many banner ads as possible, but I recommend you to click on 5 or 10 ads at the same time so you can wait 30 seconds altogether so that you can save a lot of time and make more money than others. The first way is by clicking on the banner ads to get paid. The second way is by clicking on the video. So when you sign in, visit Hideout TV and find different videos and video ads to watch. Just click and watch for just 30 seconds. Looking at this section here, you can see that there are hundreds of videos and ads you can watch to make money online. To ensure you get paid, I will help you to register for free. So come over to this sign up button on top, come over to this page and scroll down a bit here and choose a username, your email address and password. Just tick on I'm not a robot and just sign up for a free account. Let's assume I want to watch this video right here. I'll click on this video and it will direct me to this page where it would start loading advertisements right on this video. Most times you'll find 1, 2, or either 3 advertisements right in front of the video. You just click that ad and you can start earning money online, because the more ads you watch, the more money you're going to make. Let me also tell you that some of the videos will get 0 advertisements. And once this happens, you don't need to worry. You can just go and click on other videos and make sure you have an advertisement in front of the video and stay for 30 seconds and watch the ads. That's how you can make a lot of money online. Fortunately, you can do this using your smartphone or your PC, and you can just click on multiple videos. For instance, if I click on this video and other videos, I can open up multiple tabs and watch all the videos at the same time, and I'll make money online. The second reason why I love and recommend this website is that on the right side of this website, you can see Sponsored OK, which means advertisement. You can see all of these sponsored ads right here, and anytime you click on these sponsored ads, you'll make money online. Just click on the ads, wait for 30 seconds, and you can receive your money. And once again, this is one of the simplest online money-making opportunities because you're just watching videos for 30 seconds. You're not going through any stress or hard work. There are also many banner ads on the website that you can easily click and generate real money for you. And that's exactly what some top online money earners are doing to cash out every single day. So when you implement everything in this video, you're going to make money. Do you want to learn how you can make money online by copy and pasting? Click here!